any sort of sustainability work is somebody else's problem. It kind of gets lumped on individuals and they say, fuck, this is too hard, I'm going to give it to somebody else. What that means is that the people that often have the most ability to set the carbon targets for their projects and make sure that the right things happen, they delegate responsibility to the builders, who then ask the suppliers and ask the installers to try and figure out how to find a low carbon solution. And then you get to the person at the end of the chain who's super overworked, has never heard of this shit before, doesn't have the resources to actually do this themselves, but then they're expected to somehow come up with the carbon budget and hit the reduction targets. It's insane, honestly. We think that that is actually where the shift is going to move in a positive direction, because companies will actually find that you don't need to make it somebody else's responsibility. You can kind of automate a lot of this stuff and get the right result without having to pass it off. And that means that the companies who should be the natural owners of delivering sustainable buildings are going to be able to take that responsibility back and see the results that they're looking for.